How to fix Cash App won't let me unlock Cash App card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me unlock Cash App card. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application. This is the homepage of the app, as you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app. From there, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of your account, as you can see here. On this page, there are options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. After that, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach somewhere. From the options that appear here, make sure you tap on this option here named Support. Please wait for the page to finish loading. This is the Cash App help page, as you can see. On this page, there are options that you can use to find solutions to issues you face while using the app. From there, scroll down. Ensure you follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. After that, make sure you tap this option here named Cash App Card. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. You will land on this page where you will see sections that are related to the Cash App card. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, there is an option named Contact Us. So make sure you tap on it. The page will then start loading. Give it time. Finally, you will land on this feedback box where there is a box that you can use to type a short message asking the support team to fix the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like I'm doing here. You can also copy the message I have typed here. After that, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to fix Cash App won't let me unlock Cash App card.